Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today. And so today we're going to be talking about this Honda Civic. What's happening right now is if you go to 1 and 2, you get absolutely no fan speed. Does absolutely nothing. You go to 3 and 4, and that's where you actually get something. So the resistor is on its way out. So how do you switch it, you might ask? Well, first you're going to do this. You flip your glove box forward. Then you're going to squeeze the glove box in on one side, work it out. Go to the other side, work it out. Let that flip down. If it's full of stuff, it's going to pour out. If you look back here, find this plug. There's going to have a Phillips on this side and a Phillips right here. Loosen the two Phillips. Once you do, you lift it out. See this resistor? Need to change it. Literally just go to your local auto parts store, take this with you, and make sure you get the exact same one. Order one online if you want to. Replace, put it back in, and all your fan speed should work. If you're still noticing squeaking or something in the fan, you can also always replace the blower motor, which is just underneath here. You'll see 3 Phillips. And go ahead and do that. Just a quick little tutorial for you. Hope this helped you out. Press like if it did and subscribe for more.